Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mini Countryman vs Mini Clubman full comparison. Start by focusing on what matters most: cabin space, driving feel, and ownership costs. I'll highlight key differences in dimensions, seating, and cargo capacity so you can match features to your lifestyle. Expect clear comparisons of fuel economy, comfort, and technology, plus guidance on which model fits families, commuters, or style seekers. In this video, I will compare Mini Countryman vs Mini Clubman full comparison. Now examine design and interior choices, where personality shows through trim and layout. I'll describe seating comfort, entry height, and rear access differences that affect daily usability. Expect notes on headroom, rear legroom, and flexible cargo solutions, plus tips on which cabin setup feels roomier for passengers or better for loading groceries and gear. In this video, I will compare Mini Countryman vs Mini Clubman full comparison. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers pair nicely with busy car owners who value organization and tidy trunks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and peek at the description for the product link and other deals. Your support keeps these comparisons coming. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Mini Countryman vs Mini Clubman full comparison. Next, we'll cover engines, transmissions, and on-road manners, so you know what driving experience to expect. I'll compare horsepower ranges, fuel economy tendencies, and how suspension tuning affects comfort versus agility. You'll hear about all-wheel drive availability and towing or payload considerations, helping you decide if spirited driving or daily practicality ranks higher in your priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.